if you study IT, engineering, and honestly, if you just know how to restart a router and you speak Russian, this is exactly research you're destined to have with your Russian parents. Look at this real screenshot. Today we are going to read and dissect the legendary text archetype, a tech support chat with a Russian mom. By the end of this video, you won't just understand the joke, you'll learn how to express frustration, use tricky Russian particles like zhe and ведь, and handle some very spicy real-life slang. Grab a notebook and let's dive in. First, let's read the chat line by line at a slow, clear pace. Listen to pronunciation and try to follow along on the screen. Mom starts «сынок», then immediately «ты же программист». Son replies «да, mom». Mom states a crisis «у меня компьютер плохо работает, разберись». Let's continue reading the second half of this dramatic exchange. The son tries to use logic. Как я разберусь? Я ведь в другом городе. And he adds, опиши проблему. Mom explains, я не могу ничего написать. Son points out the paradox. Как так? Ты ведь сейчас отправляешь мне сообщения. Mom doubles down. Да ты не понял. У меня просто не получается ничего написать. Son gives up. Мама, я все равно не могу тебя понять. Mom draws the ultimate guilt trip. Ой, ясно все с тобой. Нахера только на программиста учился. Now let's do a vocabulary breakdown. This is where the real Russian lives, not in your textbooks, but in these tiny nuances. Look at line 1. Сынок. The base word is сын, which means son. But Russians lives diminutives. By adding ok on the end of it, it becomes warm, my dear son. However, when combined with the next line, it's a trap. Ты же программист. Look at this word же. It is an emphatic particle. It doesn't translate directly to one English word, but here it means, but you are a programmer, aren't you? Or, you are supposed to be a programmer. It implies a heavy expectation. And next mom says разберись. This imperative command form of reflexive verb разбираться. Literally it means figure it out or fix it. It sounds like a strict military order. The son uses an interesting internet feature. Как я разберусь? Notice the closing parenthesis. Instead of a smiley face emoji, in Slavic internet culture we don't use full emojis often. We just drop single or multiple parentheses to show light, non-aggressive tone. Now look at mom's grammar masterpiece. У меня просто не получается. The verb получается comes from получаться, to turn out or to succeed. When Russians say у меня не получается, it translates to it's not working out for me. It's a passive construction. It subtly shifts the blame from a mom to universe. I'm trying, but the cosmos is preventing me from writing. Let's look at the grand final. Moms get disappointed. Ой, ясно все с тобой. Oh, everything is clear with you. This is a passive-aggressive idiom used when someone gives up on you, and then she drops this bomb. Нахера только на программиста учился?
Let's break down нахера. This is a very authentic and formal slang word. It behaves like a rough version of why nerve or what the hell for. Also, notice the grammar structure. Учиться на plus accusative case. In English, you started programming. In Russian, you started to become a programmer. Учился на программиста. If you wanted to practice these similar authentic chats, I have prepared a full PDF worksheet on my Patreon. Click the link in the description, subscribe to my channel guys, and tell me in the comments what useless tech support have you done for your parents. See you in the next video. Пока-пока.